The news of King Charles III's cancer diagnosis has deeply impacted the public. Buckingham Palace revealed that the king, who recently underwent treatment for an enlarged prostate, has begun cancer treatment. The statement emphasized his gratitude to the medical team and his positive outlook on the treatment. This revelation has led to a postponement of his royal engagements, with other senior members of the family expected to stand in on his behalf. The decision to share details of his illness was made to prevent speculation and to enhance public understanding for others who have been diagnosed with cancer. The king's health has been a public focus since his hospital admission on January 26 for a pre-planned procedure to correct his enlarged prostate. The palace's announcement has sparked a wave of support and well wishes for the king's recovery. As this story continues to develop, the public's thoughts are with King Charles III as he embarks on this challenge. Please stay tuned for further updates on this matter.